They're ready.
Got one down.
One hot tub.
Oh,
one hot tub.
He's hurt middle. Blink to your right. Go!
Pull the king.
Yes.
He's behind the head glitch over here.
He's behind the head glitch. Back, Dale. Back. Alright. Dale's gonna come up. Sit there. Right there.
It's in mid.
Going towards B. Right there. Yeah!
Nice! There we go. In with the monster 1150 point game. Holy shit, dude.
Blaine went. Okay, tie her boots. Put on you.
There we go.
Another raid? Oh,
are you serious? Oh, I was about to say.
Standoff, I like standoff. It's
Standoff like the wizard?
Stand off.
Oh, he's by tank. Don't get picked off.
I know. He ran to the right to it.
Tractor.
Help Jared. Help him.
I'm watching the back.
You gotta push up and get that bomb. You guys gotta go in together and kill him.
Pushing right, left. So.
Count down to 3 when you turn the corner. By
tractor. Go.
Yeah! There we go. Nice, JR. Fucking nice.
Fucking calling out for you.
Nice, JR.
Coaching you guys the whole fucking time.
Fuck.